On top the Tifitifi Jankoriko people went grab over 32 passengers for train station for Egweben, Edo State Deputy Governor Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu come chook mouth say the security for Edo tight and them go rescue the people sharply.
We have a well thought out security architecture here. So cannot be a base for terrorists or kidnapper, whatever they call themselves. So we don't want to say too much now. But one thing is that we are relocated to this place, and by the grace of God, until we get resolved, we are not living here.
You go remember say TNT TV bring you for our Shikele Tori about the kidnapping matter when Shele on Saturday for Egweben train station. As the Tifitifi Jankoriko people enter the train station, begin the shoot anyhow before them come kidnap the travelers for the train station. Liaison officer for Egweben local government area, Chief Best to say, when talk say the local government they very peaceful and they never see this kind of wahala before until Saturday, constitute mouth for the matter.
I want to first of all use the opportunity to appreciate the governor of Edo State for the tremendous efforts and commitment to security issues. And then it is for his own efforts that you see that we have a lot of peace here. Much peace in this place. And we've never had, like I said, and this type manner of issues over a very, very long time. But for yesterday. And we're feeling sad about it. Well, like I said, there are no way we would have expected that a thing like this would ever happen. There was nothing that, if there was, a lot of measures would have been taken. There was no way anybody would have known that people were going to stray from somewhere. These are obviously not issues of our people. I'm not making case for them, but from feelers, they are obviously not issues of this local government.
Residents of the community don't call on government make them sharply improve the security for the train station to avoid this kind of matter for future.
Well, I think more have to be done into our security architecture by way of advently bringing government presence into it. Because obviously what we've had now is a situation whereby there is still failure in the security architecture. And by so doing, if you see what is happening here now, you see that there is more that needed to be done even before now. All these bushes also will be taken back 200 or 500 meters away from the premises of this train station. And I think this urgently has to be done.
Edo State government don't talk say following the directive of Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki to security agents make them sharply rescue the victims. The joint security operation when involve army, police, civil defense, Edo State Security Network, hunters and other security agents for the state don't enter bush and begin bush combing, and this one don't lead to the rescue of 6 of the kidnapped victims. Commissioner for Communication and Orientation, Chris Naikari, took mouth for the rescue of the victims, calling young public make them supply correct information when go lead to the rescue of the remaining victims.
I'm pleased to inform Edo people and Nigerians that 6 people have been rescued in the last 24 hours. A nursing mother with her baby, one girl about 6 years old, and siblings, a boy and a girl between the age of 2 and 5. These people have been rescued, and the operation Bushcombing is still ongoing. We also want to reassure Edo people that the government is taking this matter very seriously, and we're asking for any information that would lead to the, well, I told you before that one person had been arrested. I think that information has gone around and everybody's aware of that. I think a couple of other suspects who have been arrested who were formally declared wanted with kidnapping cases in that in the Edo Central area. They too are helping with the police investigation. We're also appealing to Edo people to, if they see anything, they should say something. And also want to reassure the victims' families that Edo State government is taking this very seriously. And we believe we have cordoned off a huge part of the forest. And because, like I said earlier, Nobody knows our forest more than our hunters, our vigilante men, and the security agencies. The operation Bushcombing is ongoing, and we are confident that very soon all the hostages will be released.
As at the time when we bring on this story, check for bush to rescue the remaining victims till they go on. Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. Make una remember say your PVC and be your power. Not say I'm giving a politician on election day.